Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Chrysler 305/7 versus the Dodge Charger RT. We'll explore their shared foundations and distinct characteristics. Both vehicles are popular choices for those seeking a powerful, full-size sedan. We'll look at what makes each unique, from their performance capabilities to their interior comforts and overall driving experience. Let's dive into the details. Under the hood, both the Chrysler 305/7 and the Charger RT house the robust 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine. This powerhouse generates 370 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque, providing exhilarating acceleration. Both vehicles typically utilize an efficient 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery and responsive shifts. You can expect similar straight-line performance from either sedan. When it comes to design, these two sedans diverge significantly. The Chrysler 305/7 often boasts a more traditional, luxurious aesthetic with chrome accents and a stately presence. In contrast, the Dodge Charger RT embraces a bolder, more aggressive look, emphasizing its performance heritage. Inside, the 300 typically offers a more refined cabin experience, while the Charger maintains a sportier, driver-focused environment. Both provide ample space and comfort. The driving experience in both vehicles is generally robust and engaging, given their shared platform. While the Charger RT might offer a slightly firmer suspension tune for a sportier feel, the overall ride quality remains comfortable in both. Ownership costs, including insurance and maintenance, are often quite similar. Ultimately, your choice will likely come down to personal preference for styling and brand. Remember to check the description for a link to great deals on leak-proof meal prep containers and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.